In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website multilingual. If you've been thinking about reaching visitors who speak different languages, Wix has a built-in multilingual tool that makes this process straightforward. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you understand not only what to click, but why each option matters. First, log into your Wix account and open the website you want to work on. Once you're in the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the main panel, find the section called Website Content. Hover your mouse over it and a menu will expand. From that menu, select Multilingual. This is where you control all the language settings for your site. When the multilingual panel opens, the first thing you need to do is set your site's original language. This is the main language your site is currently written in. Choosing the correct original language is important because Wix will use it as the base for any translations it generates later. Take a moment to double check that this matches the language of most of your existing content. Next, it's time to add a new language. Click the button that says Add Language. A pop-up window will appear. At the top, you'll see a drop-down field where you can choose the language you want to add to your site, such as Spanish, French, or any other supported language. Right next to it, there's another drop-down where you can choose a flag. This flag will usually appear in your site's language switcher, so pick the one that best represents the language for your audience. In this pop-up, you may also see an option to enable locale settings. This can help tailor things like date formats, number formats, and sometimes regional variations of a language, which is useful if you're targeting a specific country. You'll then be asked how you want to handle translations. You can choose manual translation, where you or your team will translate the content yourselves, or you can select an option to generate translations automatically. Manual translation usually offers more control and accuracy, while generated translations are faster and can be a great starting point. You can also decide whether to keep the new language hidden for now or make it visible right away on your live site. Keeping it hidden is helpful if you want to review or refine the translated content before visitors see it. Once you've chosen all your settings, click Add Language. You'll see a loading indicator on the pop-up. The time this takes depends on how much content your site has and whether Wix is generating translations for you. When the process is complete, the new language will appear in your list of site languages in the multilingual panel. And that's it. You've successfully made your Wix website multilingual and added a new language ready for visitors from around the world.